Let's calculate how much it would cost to import this same car from Copart to Nigeria. It was won by a Nigerian car importer for $3,200 on July 20th, about 3 days ago. The same car costs about 18 to 20 million naira or 21 million naira on Jiji. So let's calculate what it will cost us to import the same thing using the free Nigeria car import cost calculator on my blog at accidentedcars.ng. So, what car is this? We'll have to fill in the car details. We'll say this is a mid SUV because it's in the same category as CRV. Then the damage type. Currently, there is no visible damage, but from what I saw on Copart, they said it's mechanical. Mechanical is not a good damage to be done, but it's an importer, most likely a dealer. He's not using it for personal use, he's doing it to sell for business. And that's the thing with businesses like this. The more damage a car has, the more profit you make, the cheaper it gets on Copart. And it is you who is the buyer that will face the consequences later. So mechanical, it could be the transmission, it could be the engine, it could be something. That's why it's having that mechanical fault. So let's take minor front end, no. Minor cosmetic, dent and scratch, no. No damage, clean title, no. There's a damage. So I think this what will fit in this description will be, let's go for minor cosmetic. Then the final bid, which is the winning bid, was $3,200. It was a live virtual bid. So title, it's salvage title. It runs, does it run and drive? Let's see. Does it run and drive? I can't see. Copart did not provide any information about it running and driving, but it actually says engine starts. Engine starts. Okay. I won't say it's a non-runner. Since they say it starts, we'll leave it at runner. It drives and rolls. So what method are we using? Container or shipping? Or container or RoRo? Container or RoRo? So we're going for RoRo. The reason we took RoRo, okay, I have a blog post about this. What should you choose, RoRo or container? If you go to my blog at accidentedcars.com.ng, you'll see it there. So let's choose RoRo for this. Then the tow distance yard. If you chose to bid on a port which is closer or closest to the exit port in America, then your distance should be, for the trucking, your distance should be around 100 to 300 miles. That means from Spartanburg to maybe Savannah, Georgia, will be under this 300 miles radius, and the price will be $300. So let's assume you picked from one of the best ports to import from, like I stated in the DIY import Bible. So let's leave it at $300. Then the NCS VIN assessment value. This is not your Copart bid price. Nigeria Customs assigns its own value to every car using the VIN database. This figure, that's not your invoice. Your invoice is the 3,200 plus the Copart fees and whatever. This figure is what all duties are calculated on. So ask your clearing agent for this number before you bid. If you are unsure, estimate 1.3 to 1.5 times your bid price. So what is our bid price? Our bid price was the final bid the dealer won it for was $3,200. So $3,200 times 1.3 would give you $4,160. If you say $3,200 times 1.5 would give you $4,800. So depending on what your clearing agent to tell you, that's what you are going to impute here. So, but for this, I'm going to impute 4,160 as the lowest, 1.3 to 1.5. Or we could even stop at 1.4. Okay, let's use 1.4. Let's say 3,200 times 1.4. That's 4,480. Okay, let's use 4,480. Then we are using the, okay, let's say the new 2026 rate is not yet in implementation. Let's use the old rate. The old rate is 20% duty plus 15% NAC, which gives us 35%. So at the CBN exchange rate is what? Going to the CBN website, the CBN exchange rate as at July 22nd is 1,369, and today is July 23rd. So that was just yesterday. There has been no serious change since then. So we are going to use 1,369. 1,369. Then how much is this car going for? We said it was going for 18 to 20 million or 21 million on Jiji. So let's use 21 million. Are we importing it for somebody? If you're importing it for somebody, how much do you want to charge that person? Let's say 630,000. So now let's calculate. Our Copart auction fees. Our final bid was $3,200. Our buyer fee is $420. So the buyer fee is tiered by Copart. It's not a flat rate. It depends on how much your winning bid was during the time of the auction or during when the auction finished. So the gate fee is $95, environmental fee $15, the virtual bid fee $99, the title processing $20. So the total Copart fees will be $649 plus your $3,200 winning bid. Then the inland trucking from the yard of Spartanburg to maybe Savannah, Georgia, or wherever the closest port is to the yard will be $300. So there is no non-runner fee because the car starts or runs and drives. Then your ocean freight is 1.6 since we chose RoRo. Your marine insurance is 2.5% of your final bid. 2.5% of your final bid. Your final bid is, say, 2.5% times your final bid, which is $80. So $80. Then your total towing plus shipping will be $1,980. Then your total USD cost before it comes to Nigeria is already $5,829. If you convert it to Naira, it gives you 7,979,901. That's 7,979,901 Naira. Now, let's go to the Nigerian customs duties and taxes. So the NCS access value, which is the FOB, is 4,480, what we imputed earlier, using that 1.4. So not your invoice. Custom does not care if you paid $500, if you paid $3,000, as long as you impute that the value of your car into the VIN database of Nigerian customs, it says, okay, a 2016 Hyundai Tucson, this is what we are valuing it at. $4,480. In Naira will be 6.1 million. Then the CIF value in Naira is 8.3 million. Now the import duty, since we're using the old rate, 1.6 million. NEC levy at 15%, 1.2. Surcharge at 7% of your duty plus NEC is 204,000. The CISS, which is the 1% of your FOB, 1% of your 4,480, will give us 61,000. Your ETLS, 0.5% of CIF, is 41,000. Your VAT, 7.5%, 870. Your total custom charges will be 4,105,979 Naira. So when it gets to the port, and for your port and clearing, terminal handling will be 85k. Clearing agent, your clearing agent fee will be 250k. So always verify with your agent. Always verify with your agent script before paying. Your agent script is in the DIY Import Bible. Always verify with it before you make payment with your agent. Then port miscellaneous, 120k. I gave reasons why there will be port miscellaneous in the DIY Import Bible. Then the haulage from the port, from Tinkan to your address, from 100k upwards. Estimated repair, since this one gives us 200 to 240,000. But since so you have to always include 20% buffer for surprises. You could borrow like 240k, but when it comes, you say, it's more than the transmission, it's more than the engine, it's more than this, more than that. Your mechanic or any mechanic you see will able to give you a repair estimate once they've been able to identify the problem that came with that car. So from our total calculation, it says for a low estimate, everything will be landed at 12.4 million. If it's too much, it will land at 13.2 million Naira. In USD equivalent for the low, that's $9,079. So your profit or savings analysis, the dealer in Lagos wants 21 million and you landed it, let's say at the mid before you were to choose between 12.4 and 13.2. Let's say everything landed at 12.8 million. What you save is 8.1 million and your service fee is 630,000. So, but these are just estimates. Nigerian Customs uses their own VIN database, which can differ from your Copart invoice, like I've been saying earlier. Exchange rates also fluctuate daily. Your clearing agent quotes can vary. Always get a par from your clearing agent and confirm the NCS assessed value before you bid. Not after, not during, before. The 2026 tariff reduction is new, so confirm the applicable rate at your port. So if you have gone through my 20 the dealer won this lot for $3,200 on July 20th, about 2 days ago. If you've gone through my 20 mistakes ebook, you would see a lot of mistakes the Nigerian importer made on this particular lot. So I made my research on similar lots, and there were about 77 similar lots of this particular Hyundai Tucson on Copart. But when I followed the instructions on the DIY Import Bible, I was able to get only 13 profitable lots. I've posted the Copart lots of those. I've posted the Copart numbers of those lots in the DIY Bible support group. Select any one of your choice and import it for either business or personal purpose. The landed cost calculator will show you how much you would make or save when you fill in the details of the car into it. For those of you who are not students of the DIY Import Bible, you can use the free landed cost calculator on my blog at accidentedcars.com.ng. I'll leave a link to the free calculator in the description. And for those of you that don't want to gamble with your money and need to know exactly what is needed or what costs are involved before you bid on the car, I'll leave a link to the DIY Import Bible in the description as well.